We're here in Blatchford, minutes from downtown Edmonton, in what is an emerging, unique community development. CIMCO has been fortunate enough to be part of this project to provide the heating and cooling. That's coming from a centralized system.
The end goal of this community is renewable energy and a net zero facing community.
I'm hoping that this area is a great case study in how it can be a huge success.
In the end, there will be 30,000 people living here in a sustainable way. It's tremendously exciting. 3 or 4 years ago, our city council declared actually a climate emergency.
It can feel kind of hopeless, you know, when you're looking at the current climate situation and, you know, this steep hill we have to climb.
The challenge and the real impact of any kind of like plan is to implement.
We need to be promoting climate resiliency and doing what we can to create sustainability.
My daughter's almost 2 now, and, you know, the choices that we make, our generation makes, is going to be what she has to live with.
Getting away from fossil fuel and integrating more renewables in our larger community energy system. That's an exciting thing. People who work on this project are very, very passionate about it. They want to see it being successful. They want to see it working.
We're lucky to be part of a company that has those sustainability goals and is actually invested in meeting them.
And that extends to our relationship with CIMCO. Obviously, you provided the first heat pump in the process of the second heat pump, and I want more heat pumps in this community, so we'll see where this takes us. The experience of the customer really drives everything we do.
In the winter, when your houses tend to be drafty and there's certain spots that are colder, that just isn't the case. In the homes here, it's very consistent.
We take some pride in how cold we get, but you know, it's just a testament to where the technology is these days. That you can have a house and get through spells of -40 without a natural gas furnace.
If someone was asking, should I buy a place in an area that has geothermal heating and cooling, I do not hesitate.
We're taking a longer term approach. We see that the net benefit for this project is totally there in the long term.
If we can do it in Edmonton, Alberta, you can do this anywhere.